Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this open top series, the Astute, and the item number is 94813. Alright, so let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Okay, so this is the body. So it's a color black, and that's the body for S2, the S2, and this is the stickers. Okay, and for the chassis, it comes with the S2 chassis, and this is the regular chassis S2, and the parts come with it is red. Okay, and here is our drivers right over here, and this is the double-sided tape, and you can tape on top of the battery lock, and then you can install it and put the body on, and the driver is just gonna sit over there. All right, and then next will be the wheels. The wheels, it doesn't says what kind of material that it has, so I will consider it's just the regular PP. Okay, and this is the small size wheels, and this is the narrow and wide. Okay, and this one, it comes with the small size, I think it's called the groove tire. Okay, so it's like the real performance tires. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and the gear ratio it comes with is 3.5. Alright, so this is everything for this unit, and now let's see how it looks like after you build it. Okay, so this is today's open top series for the Astute body. Alright, so I still have another one, and I'm gonna unboxing to show you guys for next video. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.